Yo traders, what is good? If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you've subbed up, I want to say thank you straight away because anyone who subbed up and hit the like button and all that stuff is just pushing this channel further and is making me more motivated to keep doing these videos. But yeah, with that said, if you're new and you don't know what I do, I basically just trade the MambaFX breakout strategy like every day on a 5-minute time frame and a 1-minute time frame. I only trade NASDAQ and US30. I also put my free trade ideas in the Discord. The link is in the description. It's actually all free and the community is great, so feel free to join that. It's beginner friendly as well, and everyone's just learning together. Also, I just want to shout out Fusion Markets. So Fusion Markets is just a Forex broker that I like to use to trade the London session. So yeah, if you want low spreads, high leverage, and a decent broker that you can actually withdraw your money from within the first 12 hours with no problems, Fusion Markets is the place to go. But with all that said, let's get onto the charts and do some analysis. An A+ setup for me would be going to the 1 hour time frame firstly, and I'm looking for a trend. So now I know there's a trend. These are my swing points, right, in the 1 hour time frame. So what am I doing? Well, I'm only looking for sells. If I'm looking for an A+ setup, all I'm looking for is breaks to the downside. So obviously, if I go back to this there and I go to the 5-minute time frame, on the 5-minute time frame, this is what it looked like. So we had this kind of channel, and you know what, damn, I traded this yesterday and I didn't even fucking go into detail like this. But if I did, I don't think I would have even been stopped out like I did, because yesterday I got in and then I got stopped out like there on this wick. And yeah, if I just put my stop loss there and seen there was a clean break, I would have viewed it differently. So there we go, I'm already viewing it different now. But let's not look at what I did miss out on, because even though I caught a bit of that move, that is painful to look at. This is also another point that I could make quickly to people as well. Like if you're entering on these breakouts, that if you did enter there, the only way you wouldn't be stopped out is if you put your stop loss above all of this structure, which is the safest place to put it, and then target previous structure to the left. So you can see price have pushed up from there, and they've left a lot of liquidity behind there, because liquidity is laying all underneath these buy orders. The people's push price up, so their stop losses are all going to be underneath where they've pushed up from. So stop losses will be there, stop losses will be down there. So basically, yeah, we're just targeting liquidity on breakouts. But yeah, the safest place to always put your stop loss is there, but I never use a 50 pip stop loss. I'm quite aggressive. I'm usually 40 max, 30 to 40 pips. So I probably would have been stopped out, then re-entered on my second entry and got a better entry anyway. Because if it faked me out, I would have re-entered on the second break, done the same thing, 30 pip stop loss, and potentially got all of this. But yeah, we're just scaling down from time frames. But I rarely ever do that, but that's how you get A+ setups. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute time frame and look for support and resistance. It's a good resistance because if you look, it's being used as a support, then when it breaks under, it's used as a resistance. So I'm going to use this area as a resistance, which is literally resisting from now. And then I'm going to pull this down, and right now currently this is kind of like the area where it's supported. Then I put my breakout lines. That's the next thing on the checklist, the breakout lines. So now we know we're bearish, we got our support and resistance, and we got our breakout lines. So realistically, looking for a sell on the 9:30 Eastern time would be the most smart thing to do, because we're overall bearish, so we'd want to carry on down. Does that mean I'm only looking for it? No, because if we do break to the upside with some volume, and I mean like a nice bit of volume showing me right, we're pushing through with some bullish power, then we could easily get a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 before it decides to come back down. There's a saying, and the saying goes, trade what's happening, not what you think is going to happen. So just don't try and anticipate too much, basically. Just trade what you're seeing. If price is going up, then just press buy. Literally, if price is going down, then press sell. Obviously, with a few more confluences like breakouts and support and resistance and stuff. Nothing really going on. Old lag. We love a good lag, don't we? Fucking hell. So targeting the bottoms. This is where I'll go with my 15-minute time frame now and say, right, do I think it can come down and potentially get to where I've got my TP in 15 minutes or so? Yeah, that's why I go with the 15 minutes sometimes. So I'm at my 250 level again. Maybe I moved a little bit too soon. Oh shit, that was my own bad. Yeah, that was a bad trading decision, right? I'm still confident it's gonna come down though, but okay, so we got 8 minutes left. It's still haven't closed, so I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. But in the last I don't know how many days, it's just been wicks galore everywhere. Yeah, I ain't leaving this chart till I get a big dub anyway. It's gonna have to be the 15-minute time frame, I think. Fuck, just adapt. So now we're waiting on a 15-minute candle break, which I never actually do. Wherever looks cleaner and wherever looks right. So this is what people don't understand about the markets as well. They think you got to be in and out within the first 15 minutes, like first 5 minutes. It ain't like that. Unless you do want to just use really high lot sizes or loads of contracts and then make a lot of money quick or lose a lot of money quick and be done. So this is the first 15-minute candle. People don't understand. Volume is within these markets now for the next 2 hours, I'd say at least. Seeing as we're on a 15-minute time frame as well, I'll enter with 3 first, and then I'll add if I need to adjust my stop loss.
Order filled.
Got 44 pip stop loss. 15 minutes looking kind of clean though, if I think about it, right? If I was to have put my line there, that would have been a clean breakout there. Not gonna lie. Fuck, I might even switch over to the 15-minute time frame. So I'm gonna have to be aggressive with in out and move my stops to break even when I'm like at 250 profit and stuff, and not fuck around, because if I lose and, you know, whatever, and it goes wrong, I'll just look for another good entry. I don't care if I gotta stay on all day today. I'm getting a fat dub. That's my mindset today. We are pushing.
Order filled.
Break even. I'm gonna really aggressively trail it. Fuck it. I'm still 5 bills up. I'm 5 bills up.
Order
right,
filled.
That's 5. So I got back what I lost. Nah, I'm not calling it a day. I'd rather fucking lose the 250 profit I made. I'd rather lose. So I'm gonna just trade the next breakout on the 1-minute time frame. Now I know I'm 250 up. All I gotta do in my eyes is make another 5 or 250, and it'll be worth it. So the next breakout line can be there. Just wait patiently. Yeah, I got that mindset today, man. I am coming in with a vengeance. And they say don't revenge trade. I ain't revenge trading. I'm sticking to my rules. I'm doing it properly, but the markets are moving nice and I'm getting back my fucking money today. That is the definition of revenge trading, but I don't give a fuck. If you don't like it, switch the channel. I feel like the market's taking a piss this last week or so. So now I want to take the piss. Just go to the 4 hour to mark up some structure because it's more clean. We got some wicks, but there. Honestly, literally, I don't even care. I could literally enter there now. Go for a 1-to-1 with about 10 micros. And just, yeah, call it a day. I got no spreads. That rejected the EMA pretty nice, not going to lie. You see that? That was a clean rejection.
Order filled.
You see that? Beautiful. I'm going to show you now. This is a little bit different to the Mamba strategy, but that's just a clean rejection from an EMA. A lovely, like, doji kind of candle. So if I target the bottom now, there, that's a bag. I don't give a fuck. I'm being aggressive today. Give me the dough. Give me my money. Aggressive corners back. Aggressive scalper. Sometimes you gotta be aggressive. You just gotta be. Honestly, we're gonna come back. If we do, I'll get out. Move to break even. So now I'm risk free anyway. I'm gonna close 275, and I got one more aggressive scalp in me. That's it. One more aggressive scalp. So now I can move my breakout line there, and yeah, same thing. Just trade a break.
Order filled.
Wow, a bit early. Still think it's gonna break though. Just gotta take it off the table, yeah. Just take what you can. It all adds up in the end.
Order
yeah, I'll take
filled.
270. Cool. That was alright. That wasn't bad. Aggressive as fuck, but look, still trading breakouts. It's all the same shit. Any time frame you choose. But now I know to call it a day. I lost 250, and I've definitely made it back. But I don't advise anyone else to trade like that. I ain't gonna lie. I don't advise anyone to do it, but if it's your money and you're willing to risk it and kind of know what the market does time and time again, you're in a downtrend. That's one confirmation. You break into the downside. That's two. You're underneath the EMA. That's 3. Just give yourself confirmations, but also know when to call it a day. Like I said, if I was going to lose another 250, then I would have been done. I would have been out. But because I already got back what I lost and profit, I was willing to lose that profit just to do what I did then. Take risks and prosper. But yeah, until the next one.